Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Vivo V20. So finally we got a new update that is with the version 1.70.44 and the currently installed version is 1.70.33. So in like from the last 2 or 3 updates we were just getting security patch level of January 2021, and with this particular update I am anticipating at least March 2021 because we are almost on a verge of completing the current month, that is March 2021. Now let's see what are the change logs and so on. So according to change log, on the basis of system, they have upgraded the Android security patch to improve the security. They have optimized the system like performance and stability. Apart to this, compatibility between system and third-party apps, and fixed the occasional exception where sometime audio channels are being like somewhat out of the sync and so on. So before we jump into the installation process, let me confirm you one more thing. Like at present, we are on with the version number 1.70.33, which is having compile time or build date time of February 26, 2021 with the security patch level of January 2021. So I'm just going to download it now, and as soon as the downloading or installation process will be completed, then we'll see if anything else have been added new or not. So let me just tap it on download and install, and I'll come back once it will be completed. So finally, the update installation process has been completed and we have successfully booted into the home screen. Now let's move to the settings section, and firstly we'll move to the about phone section so that we can confirm the security patch level. So I was anticipating that it should be March 1, 2021 security patch level because we are almost on a verge of completing the March 2021 a month, and compile date is of March 16, which is almost 6 to 7 days back or 7 to 8 days back, and this is the version number or build number. Now apart before I'll be wrapping up this particular video, let's like confirm few things. So there is a bad thing with this particular update. Like earlier, the White 1 certification security level was L1 and now it is L3. Even in last update, one of our viewer has confirmed that they are not getting L1 or I would say HD content on their Netflix app, and they have already raised the issue with the Vivo support and so on. So this time now even our status has been changed from L1 to L3, and now we will not be able to stream any HD content on any OTT platform on this particular phone until unless Vivo will again be making required changes for this, and I'll be confirming you this in next 1 or 2 minutes. Before that, let's confirm the security patch level or sorry, hardware support level of camera to API, that is at level 3, so there is no problem with that. Let me just open the Amazon Prime Video and I'll show you that what's the content. So whenever you will be watching any HD content, then you will see that it will always show you HD here. But here it is not showing you any HD content. So which also confirm that now with this particular update, we are not be getting any level 1 support, or we won't be able to stream any HD content on our phones. So this is really a bad thing. Most of the OEM or manufacturers are doing these types of mischievous things in last 1 or 2 years. But this way, once in one update they will like fix it, and in next update they will remove it and so on. So hopefully by next update we will be getting or we will be getting back the L1 security level for the White 1 certification so that we can stream our HD content properly. So this was all from my side related to the availability of the latest version, that is 1.70.44 for Vivo V20. And in coming days, I'll be creating a review video as well. So stay tuned till then. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.